Yo, what's up, guys? What's going on? And a lot of panic when everyone heard about Mount Gox. So let's talk about it a little bit, shall we? And guys, I've been thinking about this a lot. And I had a conversation with someone in the comments of one of my videos yesterday because they had said that, this sell-off of Mount Gox was going to be like a black swan event. And no, I disagree strongly, guys. Right? And before I even get into it, I'll give you my opinion on it. And that is because it's not like they're just plopping $9 billion worth of BTC on the market, right? That's not what's happening here. It's going to take time for Mt. Gox to distribute all of the BTC that they owe back and whatever. Yeah, BTC, and I can't remember what else, something else. Anyway, they have to Bitcoin Cash. That's what it is. That's the other part of it. So it's going to take them time to distribute all of it, first of all. Okay. Now, that's going to take probably months to distribute. They're not just plopping in everybody's wallets all at once, same day, right? That's not what's happening here. It's going to take time to distribute that much Bitcoin. Okay. First of all. So that's going to be spread over a bit of time. And as it gets dropped on the market, it'll probably get scooped up by people like BlackRock, for example, right? Michael Saylor, so on and so forth. Michael Dell, so on and so forth, right? That's first of all. Okay. So it's going to be an overtime thing, not all at once thing. Second of all, the other factor is that a lot of people who were holding Bitcoin back then, while yes, a lot of them will take profits, there will be a large percentage that don't because they know that Bitcoin's price is going to be going up. We're just heading into a bull market year here where we're going to see parabolic gains. Why would you sell before the parabolic gains? It doesn't make much sense, right? While some people will sell some of their Bitcoin that they got back, most of the people who lost their Bitcoin back then are they're Bitcoin and crypto OGs, right? They're not stupid, they're hodlers, right? So there's that. Okay. Now let's get into this. Mt. Gox repayments won't be as bad for Bitcoin as you think. So Mt. Gox scheduled repayment of the $8.5 billion worth of Bitcoin to creditors next month may not cause as much mayhem for the price of Bitcoin as many expect, says analyst. IG Markets analyst Tony Sycamore told Cointelegraph there were simply too many historical factors to make a concrete prediction about the impact of the upcoming repayments, but estimated around half of the total Bitcoin, roughly 4.5 billion worth, could be set to hit the market beginning in July. Mt. Gox was a Japanese cryptocurrency exchange that collapsed after being hacked in February of 2014. The exchange lost around 940,000 BTC, which was worth just 64 million at the time. Mt. Gox recovered 141,687 BTC to return to its creditors, which is worth 8.5 billion now. Crazy, eh? As of the time of publication. This sum will start to be paid out to creditors at the beginning of July. Despite the potential upcoming flood of Bitcoin onto the markets, Sycamore said he believes that much of the supposed Mt. Gox sell pressure was already priced into the current market conditions. The repayments have been coming for a long time, he said. The repayments are happening against the backdrop of deteriorating market sentiment, technical selling, and outflows from the Bitcoin ETFs, said Sycamore, adding that much of the speculative hot money in crypto had left to chase greener pastures in mega stocks like Nvidia and Apple in the equities markets. Speaking of Bitcoin's price action more broadly, Sycamore said he's not convinced that the current sell-off can plunge too much deeper. He pointed to strong support at the 200-day moving average. Yes, guys, and the 200-day moving average is around that 57K level. Very, very powerful level of support. So I would agree there. I was saying yesterday that I thought that 57 was as low as we could really go with this. I think we've just had a flush. The cause of the flush is all of these effects accumulating in the expectations of Mt. Gox selling, he said. Adding, I suspect it probably offers a pretty good entry point for people that have been holding on for better buying levels. In a June 2025 post on X, Galaxy Digital's head of research, Alex Thorne, estimated that only 65,000 of the 141 BTC total Bitcoin stands to actually hit the market in full, significantly reducing much of the expected selling activity. Thorne predicted that roughly 75% of creditors have opted to receive an early payout, sacrificing 10% of their repayments in the process and resulting in an approximate 95,000 BTC hitting the market initially. Additionally, he added that 20,000 BTC were owed to claims funds, and roughly 10,000 BTC were owed to Bitcoin Coinica BK, leaving just 65,000 to go to regular creditors, as you can see here. Mt. Gox creditors likely to hodl. Additionally, Thorne explained that there were several reasons to believe that individual Mt. Gox creditors would be more diamond-handed than the market expects. He noted that most of the creditors were skewed towards being long-term Bitcoiners that are more likely to hold their Bitcoin, and stressed that many individual creditors resisted years of compelling and aggressive efforts from claims offering USD payouts, suggesting they wanted their Bitcoin back, not fiat. He also pointed to the impact of capital gains tax on sellers, saying that while original creditors received only a 15% in-kind recovery, many claim holders have notched a 140 times gain since the bankruptcy proceedings, recovering their Bitcoin. Thorne said the potential selling pressure on Bitcoin Cash would likely be far worse due to the fact that many investors never actually bought Bitcoin Cash outright, only receiving it due to the hard fork of Bitcoin that occurred in 2017. So, what do you guys think? Is the selling pressure going to be as bad as people think, or is it going to be already priced into the market? Not much selling pressure due to hodling. I would be interested to know what you guys think. Hit the like button, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Smash the join button, guys, to support the channel. It definitely means a lot. Follow me on X. And also jump over to the Patreon, guys. There's a lot of great content over there. We're doing some TA classes over there. We've got microcap gems as well, just like on the member side. My portfolio's over there. So check it out, guys. The link is down below for that. And yeah, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.